ऑन की कीजिए तो आपकी सिंपल वेरी सिंपल वे तो आपको एक पेज ओपन होगा जो आपको दिखाएगा fiverr.com. Here you do not have an account, so you will click join, which is given at the extreme right corner. Join पे आप क्लिक करेंगे. जैसे ही आप join पे क्लिक करेंगे, it will give you an option whether you want to continue with Google or you continue with any particular email ID. So whatever is your choice set, आप उसके हिसाब से उसे क्या करेंगे? ओपन करेंगे. जैसे मैंने इसे ओपन किया था with my email, password and continue. So while making password, आपको कुछ conditions देगा कि password कैसे फॉर्म करना है. बिल्कुल सिंपल, आप न्यूमेरिक या अल्फाबेट्स नहीं रख सकते. It will be alphanumeric, having capital and small letters. Then get your profile started. What is the third step? You have to choose your username. Choose any username which they are allowing you, and then create your account. It will send a OTP on the email ID जिससे आपने अपना ज्वाइन करने की उसे परमिशन दी है. आप अपना OTP डालेंगे और OTP डालते ही you will submit it and it will land you to this page. ये क्या कह रहे हैं आपको? Whether you want to be a client, you want to use the services of any freelancer, or you yourself want to register yourself as a freelancer. दो चीजें हैं. आप freelancer की services लेना चाहते हो, you want to become a client, or you yourself want to register as a freelancer. तो अगर आप register करना चाहते हैं तो you will click on the I am a freelancer and you will click OK. So great, your all is there. So यहाँ पे वो आपसे बोलेगा complete your profile, create your first gig. What is gig? अभी बताया जिसको मैंने एग्जाम्पल में. I will give you 3 Instagram reels at ₹400. That means that was a gig. मतलब you have to create one caption for yourself. What services are you going to give? What gig economy you are going to serve? So let's see. So when we open this, working here. So they are working for Vikas Bharati School only. They are not working for any other company. So whatever is their working hours, they are assigned here for that particular hour. और उस hour में वो किसी के लिए कोई काम नहीं कर सकते. They have one single client, that is Vikas Bharati. But in the case of freelancing, that's not the case. आपके multiple clients हो सकते हैं. You are not dedicated to any one particular employee, right? Second.